Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Marvel Rivals stuck at 99% loading bug. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest to do here, if you installed game on HDD, make sure that your game is on SSD, right? So you just need to right click on the game, go to properties, go to, as you can see here, installed files, and installed files. You should see move this game content to another folder or drive, and make sure to select as your SSD, right? And then move the game and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, we can proceed with other steps. So the first step, what I suggest to do here is to try to run game on DX11, not 12. So go to install general and just write the -DX11 and run the game. Look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, go to settings, go to gaming, make sure game bar is disabled, and then go to game mode and make sure it's enabled here. Then go to Marvel Rivals, right click on it, go to properties, then go to installed files and browse. Here you need to look for Marvel game, an exe file, right? First of all, just copy the path, we'll need this later, and then you should find Marvel exe, right click on it, go to show more options, properties, compatibility, make sure disable full screen optimizations, and then change high DPI settings, select override high DPI scaling behavior, and then select OK here. Right, then what you need to do here is to go to graphic settings, then make sure advanced graphic settings, hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is enabled. Then look for Marvel Rivals here and select high performance and optimizations for windowed games. Right, if you don't see Marvel Rivals on the list, you just need to add to desktop, paste the path that we copied earlier, and add the exe file, and then you can choose from, right? And after you apply all these changes, make sure to run Marvel Rivals as admin as well, right? So you just need to go to properties, installed files, browse, and then here you can run the game as admin here, right? And look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, make sure the game is enabled, then go to Task Manager. On Task Manager, look for details, and then exe file, find Marvel Rivals, and then, or on processes here, just find Marvel Rivals. Then, as you can see here, let's go with this, or on details, and just find the exe file, set priority, and make it to high. And now we need to go to in-game. And in game, just press escape, go to settings, go to display, make sure display mode is on full screen. Now I'm recording the video, so it's more convenient for me to go on with the borderless windowed, but for you it should be full screen. Then aspect ratio and resolution should be your monitor's native one. Another thing that you need to do here is to anti-aliasing and super resolution type, make sure it's off. And then if we go on bottom, you should see that there is an option limit FPS. So try to limit FPS. For example, if your monitor is running on 144, just limit to 144, or just your monitor basically numbers, right? But just limit FPS, sometimes it could help as well. And also VSync should be off. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.